Detoxification, or detox for short, is the process of eliminating toxins from the body. While the body is naturally designed to detoxify itself through organs like the liver, kidneys, and lungs, certain lifestyle habits can impede this process. Here are some things you can do to support your body's natural detoxification processes. 1. Hydrate. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and supports the organs responsible for detoxification. 2. Eat a balanced diet. Eating a diet rich in whole foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, provides the nutrients needed to support the body's natural detoxification processes. 3. Reduce processed foods. Processed foods can be high in additives, preservatives, and other chemicals that can overwhelm the body's natural detoxification processes. 4. Exercise regularly. Exercise helps improve circulation and sweating, which can aid in the elimination of toxins from the body. 5. Get enough sleep. During sleep, the body repairs and rejuvenates itself, including detoxification processes. 6. Reduce alcohol and caffeine intake. Both alcohol and caffeine can put a strain on the liver, the primary organ responsible for detoxification. 7. Consider natural supplements. Certain supplements, such as milk thistle, dandelion root, and turmeric, can support the liver and other organs involved in detoxification. 8. Manage stress. Chronic stress can interfere with the body's natural detoxification processes. So it's important to manage stress through techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing. Remember, the body is naturally designed to detoxify itself, but supporting this process through healthy lifestyle habits can help optimize your body's ability to eliminate toxins.